Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can connect your Hisense TV to a Wi-Fi network. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So once you open your TV, as you can see on the left side, you will find for you and then the apps. You need to scroll to the other side, to the right side, and you will find the settings there. So once you tap on settings, you need to just push the OK button on your remote. So here you will find set my device name, channel display, and there is the network and internet. So once you tap on network and internet, I will just off it and then on. If it is not on, you can off and on from here. And then it will show the list of the Wi-Fi networks which are available. So the next thing you need to do is to select the Wi-Fi that you need to connect. And here you will enter the password. So I will enter the password. So once you're done with entering the password, you need to just tap on the tick mark, the arrow, and it will say that connecting to the said Wi-Fi, the one that you need to connect. So as you can see, it says connected successfully. So guys, this is how you can connect your Hisense Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.